Hello everyone. Today I want to share a small story about my daughter. Recently, I often go to a park with her. She is 2 years old and she really likes swings. At the park, there are two swings. One is blue and the other is red. My daughter wants to ride both of them. She cannot speak well yet, but she says, red, red, and then she says, blue, blue. First, I put her on the blue swing. She laughs and looks very happy. After a while, she says she is done, so I take her off. Then she points and says, red. So I put her on the red swing and she enjoys it again. For me, the blue swing and the red swing are almost the same. They feel the same. But for my daughter, the colors are very big difference. This made me realize for children, small things can be very special. Thank you for listening. Bye.